Hey guys, how's it going? We're back in New York City. Hope everyone's doing well. So last week I was at my parents' house in New Jersey, and there's these coffee beans I keep seeing everywhere and when I pop into Whole Foods, and that is this brand, Paper Plane Coffees. So we went for a brunch in Montclair, New Jersey, and actually their original cafe is in Montclair, New Jersey. So I was like, okay, yeah, I know these guys. I've seen them before. So we popped in. We had some of their coffee. They've got interesting drink names like Hattori Hanzo, Beatrix Kiddo, Vincent Vega. If anyone's seen Quentin Tarantino movies, you would recognize all these names. Big Tarantino influence here. And the coffee was really good. So they've done a great job with the branding. And as you can see here, they have airplane seats in the cafe. So you feel like you're in an airplane, whatnot. And I figured, okay, let's check out their Shopify store. Let's check out how they're selling online. They're doing a great job with their in-store sales plus Whole Foods. So I pop over to their website. And as you guys know, I build e-commerce pages, landing pages, a lot of times on Shopify as well as Replo, with a strong focus on Replo these days. So going to their site right off the bat, this is a very good example of what not to do with your Shopify store. So right off the bat, they've taken up a lot of the hero space here above the fold. I can't even see the CTA until I scroll down slightly, and it's very small here. It does not contrast. It does not pop. It's just shop, very generic, very bland. I feel like they're really wasting the good branding they've done here. So let's say you go here, you go to shop. Yeah, page not found. Okay, so that's already a red flag right there. Do not do that on your Shopify stores. Okay, here. Let's say I go to their product page. Paper Lane Coffee, whole bean. This is whole bean coffee. This is what they sell in Whole Foods. And okay, it looks like it's a collection page here of just their different products you can buy, whatever. Let's go here, Santuario. And right off the bat here, it's very bland. There's just, okay, you've got some variants. Nothing really pops on this page. Okay, you got a one-time purchase, subscribe and save, but they got a white CTA button, which I've said this time and time again, never use white CTA buttons for your product pages, on your pages and on your Shopify store in general. They just do not convert. But just the way it's done here, it's just hard to, it's very small, just the way the padding, the way things are aligned, none of it matches. There's no cohesiveness on this page at all. And even the way the images are laid out here. So that already, this is a great example of what not to do. They've got varying options, but the way it's presented is very poorly done. There's nothing done here to really increase the AOV. You do have the size bag options here, but it should really be done, if not as a drop down, it should be done more as blocks. So you have one-time purchase, subscribe, and save, and then have just big blocks of the 5 pound, the 2 pound, the 12 ounce, and always default with the largest option or the middle option, just so you can really push customers to buy more right off the bat and increase those AOVs. So whether or not you're increasing those conversions, at least you're going to increase those AOVs. And let's take a look here on mobile. Yeah, on mobile, I mean, this is very poorly done, just the way this is done here. These images taking way too much space, way too much text up here in the banner. This is at least a line, but there's just wasted space with quantity too. That's just the CTA. Oh, this is not doing really well. I would honestly just review these guys a nice landing page on Replo. It looks like their ground bean coffee is something they want to push. They could really benefit a lot from proper CRO, just implementing proper foundations to their pages. I would love to work with these guys. Actually, there's just a lot of work that can be done on their site as a whole. Let's see also, once you hit add to cart, what happens? Is there any upsell? Okay, just view cart. Yeah, they're not really doing any upsells here. So yeah, a lot can be done. A few people have asked me since launching my free course on WAP to show an example of what not to do on your Shopify store. This is a fantastic example of what not to do. If you guys want to see a good example of what to do, go to the link in the description, access my free Shopify CRO course, how to go from beginner to advanced with Shopify CRO and properly lay out and design your product pages, landing pages, home pages, cart pages as well. Click the link in my description to access my free Shopify CRO course. That'll give you guys a lot of value, just what not to do, what to do on your pages. It's totally free. And yeah, if you guys want to see more Shopify landing page breakdowns, comment below and let me know. Happy to do more of these audits, more of these videos. And I want to provide to you guys the most value possible when it comes to Shopify CRO, just overall designing your landing pages, your Shopify pages, and just really how to maximize revenue and AOV from your e-commerce stores. Yeah, guys, have a great day. Cheers.